So MK party leader Jacob Zuma believes that his daughter Duduzile Zuma Sambudla is being used as a scapegoat to protect those who should be rightfully arrested for the deadly 2021 July unrest. Zuma spoke to scores of supporters outside the Durban Magistrates Court, where she made her first court appearance for allegedly instigating public violence. Now, he says his daughter is being targeted by those who hate him and the MK party. Newsroom Africa's Pilam Tembo reports.
MK party members slammed the judiciary, accusing the system of undermining its own independence.
As a nation, we must be very concerned when we see the judiciary basically undermining its independence, entering into the political arena and being used for political ends. That is a dangerous move. It must not be allowed, because our people will lose all confidence in the criminal justice system.
This as scores of supporters believe that the case against Duduzile Zuma Sambudla is a mockery.
It's laughable. What are those charges? That she made some comments, vague comments on Twitter at the time of the already going on uprising. They must question what caused the uprising.
The party's Willis Mkhunu explains that Zuma Sambudla is being targeted for being the former president's daughter.
Lomndeni wakaZuma sihamba yona lenkundla nalenkantolo ulokuhlaselekile kusahlaseleka ubaba upresident uJacob Zuma. 2005 lempi yaqala, namhlanje lempi sehlele inganeni ke manje ezingenaqala. Yaqala ngqa eminyakeni esilo sakhula ukuthi kukhona umuntu oshajelwe ukuthi wathini ku Facebook. Njoba abantu bekhuluma kangaka ku Facebook noma Twitter noma Instagram, bashajwa nini labo bantu?
The court appearance brought the spotlight to neglected cases.
This happens against the fact that South Africa has got so many unresolved cases of gender-based violence, so many unresolved cases of corruption and wrongdoing. There's a case of money that is stolen and hidden under a sofa in Palapala. And none of those 15 prosecutors are investigating such. 15 people with legal qualifications are going to investigate just a sentence of ICU.
MK party leader Jacob Zuma also took to the podium to come to his daughter's defense.
Sebebopha ingane yami manje. Ngoba nayo bengathandi nobaba wayo, bengathandi nenhlangano yakhe.
Duduzile Zuma Sambudla was released on a warning and her case was postponed to March. She faces charges of instigating terrorism and public violence during the July 2021 riots. For Newsroom Africa on Channel 405, I'm Pilam Tembo in Durban.